Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update. So for today I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So basically, going through the daily time frame, I found that we had two trend days to the upside in the last 2 days. And we have a rate of change flip to the downside today, and we can see that basically on the 15-minute time frame that market is building lower highs and lower lows. So my advice will be to watch for the downside continuation on the intraday scale. We have some intraday resistance levels at 131.40, so to watch for potential further downside movement, maybe even towards the previous day low at 131.17. We also have the previous day high at 132.90. So overall, I see we started the day here and we're building lower highs since the open. So I see potential for the downside continuation for today and the lower prices. If we speak about the gold market, we can see that we had a neutral day yesterday, and we can also spot here that there is this consolidation also that we can see on an 8-hour time frame. So we have the low at 1861 and high at 1880. So in case of the upside breakout, watch for the buying opportunities in intraday dips and the potential upside objective at 1900. In case of the downside break and hold below 1860, watch potential downside opportunities and eventual movement even towards the 1835. But for now, sideways regime, and we had two downtrend days in a row, here and here, and yesterday we had a neutral stance. So we'll see if the market can break higher and try, and if there is possibility for the rally towards 1900. Speaking of the crude oil, yesterday we found that there is a rate of change flip to the upside after 3 days down, and yesterday the market played very nicely of the previous day low. Today so far we have a follow through, and there is a chance for the retest of 77 mark. So watch for the intraday pullbacks on the 5-15-minute time frame for the further higher prices. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we can see that market is sitting on the support. So you have support zone at 22,500 area, and if this area can hold, and if we can see that the market is rejecting aggressively, then the retest of 23,900 can be the play. From other side, if we can break and hold below 22,500, we can open the door for lower prices, maybe even the retest of 21,600 mark. So pay attention to this key support zone, and that will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.